Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at how to quickly withdraw some money from Bamboo. Now you can see my withdrawable cash is this amount here on screen. This is the amount we are going to be withdrawing right here. Now you can withdraw your money on Bamboo. It doesn't matter if the market is open or closed. It doesn't matter, as long as it's been a day since you sold that stock. You should be able to see your balance in the withdrawable cash. Again, if you sell a stock today, you have to wait till tomorrow before you can withdraw the money. Now this is for US stocks. I think for Nigerian stocks it's T2, so you have to wait like maybe 2 days or so for you to withdraw the money. But I also heard that they are moving it to like T1, so at some point you would only have to wait 24 hours to withdraw your money after you sell your stocks. So I sold some stocks yesterday, and as you can see, it has now settled into my withdrawable cash. And if I want to see a proper breakdown, I can click on view breakdown here. Once I click on it, you can see basically my account, what that looks like. You know, my withdrawable cash, you know, the amount it cost me to buy stocks, my portfolio return, all of that is here. But again, for the sake of this video, we want to withdraw this amount you can see here. So the very first thing you want to do when you're withdrawing money from your Bamboo wallet is to come to transfer cash to Bamboo wallet. So the amount we are transferring is already here. So when you click on transfer cash to Bamboo wallet, you just see this amount. This is what it's going to be in Naira. If you want to see what the dollar Naira rate is, just do $1. As you can see here, it's 15.20 as of today. Now these rates are always changing, as you can tell, because Naira is always changing against the dollar pretty much. And I know that this is not entirely black market rate, because Bamboo of course will take some small money from here as well as their own cut. So this is a bit close to black market, but not entirely black market rate. You know, I'm not in support of this rate because this rate could be like 15.20 or even 15.35 or something, but it's 15.15. But there's really nothing you can do about it. If you trade with Bamboo, you have to follow their own rate when you are withdrawing your money. Of course, it can be higher, it can be lower, depending on how Naira is doing in the market for that day. But again, for the sake of this video, we're going to be withdrawing all of this. So I'm going to do that and then click on transfer. Where am I transferring it to? Because I'm withdrawing it to my Nigerian bank account, I'll select NGN wallet. If I'm withdrawing it to maybe like a US dollar account, I can use the USD wallet, but I want to withdraw it to my NGN wallet. So it's processing now. Let's wait. It's done. So it says it has been moved to your brokerage account, from your brokerage account to your NGN wallet. Now I'm going to click on view NGN wallet. You notice that it doesn't instantly appear here, and this is really the part I don't like very much, because now I have to wait a few more minutes for it to appear on that NGN wallet. So we would have to wait. While we're waiting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make videos about money, I make videos about pretty much tech products as well. So if you like videos like this, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video as well. Now let's continue. So we're still waiting for it to appear here in the NGN wallet. As you can see, still hasn't happened. So I'm going to click on NGN wallet and I'm going to pull down to refresh. Still hasn't happened. Let's give it 2 minutes. So the money has finally arrived the NGN wallet after 10 minutes. I had to wait 10 whole minutes. Actually 13 minutes, correction, 13 minutes. Apparently it's not just a transfer from, you know, your brokerage account to your NGN wallet. You're creating a request. They have to approve it. This is the email I got that basically says that my transfer request has been completed and then added to my wallet. So they have to approve the transfer. Again, it took 13 minutes. They approved it. Now the money is here. Then from here now, I can now withdraw this money or transfer this money from here straight to my bank account. So I'm going to click on transfer to Naira bank account. When I come here and I click on transfer, there's an option that says transfer to your USD wallet. That is if you want to convert this Naira to dollar to your USD wallet, then you use the transfer to USD wallet option. I want to transfer it to a Naira bank account, so I'm going to click on this. Now, as you can see, this is the money. This is the processor fee, 45 Naira, which is not bad. I don't mind it being 45 Naira. Let's continue. So I basically want to transfer all the money. I'll click continue. Then to ask me for which of my bank details I want to send it to. I want to send it to my Kuda. Here it says instant, but I don't think it's instant. I think it's going to take another God knows 1 or 2 days for me to receive the money. So it usually says instant here, but from my experience in the past, they say instant and then it takes a whole day. So keep that in mind. Just because it says instant doesn't mean you receive the money instantly. For the sake of this tutorial or video, I will leave a note in the comment. I'll tell you guys how long it took for the money to arrive my bank account. So check either the description of this video or the comment of this video for that. Now let's wait. It says your withdrawal request has been sent. It typically takes 2 to 3 working days before it can reflect in your bank account. Do you see what I was saying? It's not instant. It could take 2 to 3 days for your money to come into your bank account. It might also arrive today. There's a possibility, but again, you can't really guarantee anything with Bamboo. And it's sad to say that because this thing should actually be instant. It's my money. They already approved the withdrawal, so I should be able to get the money immediately. But sadly, that's not the case. So that's it. I'll let you guys know in the comment of this video how long or how many days or hours it took for me to receive the money. Don't forget to like this video and let me know if you have questions in the comments. Take care. Bye.